Hi guys, welcome. So how do you remove the TikTok shop from your TikTok profile? Now it's going to be really quick, so bear with me. On your seller profile right here, on your seller app, we're going to be unlinking your product here. It's going to be really quick, so make sure that you follow it step by step. So inside here on the My Account, click it, go to let's just scroll down here on the link TikTok linked accounts. Here you go. It's going to be your account that you've logged in to post videos. So here it is. You just have to click the unlink button right here on the side here, on top of the icon here, and it'll unlink your account first and foremost. Okay, so that's how quick and simple and easy it is to unlink it. You could relink it a couple of times, and that's just it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is educational, and you guys have a nice day.